Welcome to Real Lynn's World. It's been a long time, hasn't it?
Cheers. We're back
Cheers
together.
to a long time.
We've been busy bitches.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I can't cuss. We've been busy girls.
Crazy girl. But you know what? We just decided to take a moment here. We've been getting ready for the holidays, family, getting everything done, and I'm hungry.
Okay, what do we got here?
Yeah, what do we make here? Today we made keto chicken taquitos. And I made the flour tortillas, or they're not flour, they're keto, to take the place of flour tortillas. And then I took chicken breast, and I took salsa and a bunch of cheese in the center and baked them. And then I put like a queso cheese sauce with sour cream and avocados on top. Is it good?
It's phenomenal.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Good. So we just, am I going to flip this?
No, I'll hold on.
I'm going to cut it and try to be polite while we do this. So.
I told her we can't be having no food fight.
Oh no, I got a white shirt on.
These new velvet stools, so.
These are pretty comfortable.
Happy holidays.
Look at her beautiful tree.
Fireplace, tree, we're ready for the holidays. Are you ready for the holidays?
We hope so. And I haven't been on this for so long. I don't even know how to apologize. How do you apologize for?
Oh, she just has been so busy.
But I know, but that's not an excuse because I always cook and eat.
Well, the main thing is everybody's been asking if you're okay.
I know.
You know, so she's okay.
I'm okay.
She's okay. People have been sending me messages saying, "How's your sister? Is she okay?"
I'm alive.
She hasn't posted in a month.
I know. I gotta get better about that because I know there's so many people out there that are coming to watch this and I'm not there. And that's not fair to them. Oh.
So get better with it. She'll come on if I come on.
Well.
So if I come on here, you'll come on. So today we had a day to where we weren't doing anything else, so. That's very rare.
I tried to do this on my own, but I don't know. There's been like 3 times that I've been trying to make a video and the doorbell rings.
Oh my God, this is
or
so good.
The neighbor comes over, or I get a telephone call, and so that has been my cue. Okay, today might not be the right day. So I gotta quit feeling
Well, and you've
like
been
that.
working too. She's been working, so she has a job. We aren't going to say what it is for security reasons.
Yeah,
but she's
everybody
been working,
has work.
She's been working part-time too, so.
Yeah, and it's been a lot of fun, but I always enjoy cooking. Cooking is my passion. Can I move this?
It's so good.
Will we still lose them?
We still got it.
We still got it? Because I need to get my mouth around it a little closer.
Oh my God, it's really good.
So what's the first thing that you thought about when you tried that? When you
Comfort.
Well, when you knew that the shells were not flour, that they're keto. Can you tell the difference?
No.
They're so easy to make.
Don't you have a recipe on here of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a recipe.
In my cookbook.
Look through her cookbook. Oh yeah, where's that? Where can they find it?
Amazon.
Oh. Is it still there?
Easy keto.
Look at that.
Easy keto recipes.
Hold up a spoon and we'll make a thumbnail. Hold
on.
We'll make a thumbnail for you.
Hold on. Ooh. Yummy.
Supercalifragilistic. BXB-alidocious.
Well, if you guys are gonna see this video, and you're excited to see it, and you know my sister and I have a lot of fun when we have meals together. Join us. Grab yourself. Put this on pause for a sec.
I made a video of eating pizza on my channel, Ursula TV, and I said I'm alone, and then Maria, you were in the background. She's walking through my kitchen. They're like, "You're not alone." She came over for something, and they're like, "You're not alone."
Well, you know, there's sometimes I come over here when she's doing some of her videos, and I just do my thing because she's still got to work too.
She just sneaks in and she gets things and runs around, and so
yeah,
that's
I always
what it
have
was.
stuff to do, and then especially in the summertime, if she's working, I sneak in and I go to the backyard and I go hop in the pool and relax until she's
the benefits of sisters,
do her thing. Yeah, we just are really free with each other. We just kind of pop in and out. So, If I pop in and she's doing something, I'm like,
yeah.
She's like, so apparently somebody caught
Saw
my shadow
in the mirror.
Somebody caught me in the
Somebody
mirror.
was so mad on that video.
Somebody
They're like,
was
you
like,
lied to me. You said you were alone.
Goodness, you guys.
And she was
she's
in the
not
mirror.
A liar.
So it's like, sometimes my sister just pops on over because that's what sisters do.
And she's allowed to have company. She's allowed to have me over.
Yeah.
She's a grown-ass woman.
Exactly.
Can I say that on?
Yeah.
And I'm saying
Grown woman. Grown woman.
She's a grown woman.
Cheers.
So, what
That's
else
good.
have we been up to? What else?
Christmas shopping is done.
Done. Check.
We're done.
Christmas
It's all
dinner
set,
bought.
done, bought.
Check.
Check.
Oh, the question is, what are we making for Christmas
Oh,
dinner?
what are you
keto
making?
Style? Woo, that's going to be a surprise because I guess those are going to have to be more videos.
Oh, yeah.
Surprises.
Yeah, some more videos for the future.
Mm-hmm. I can tell you I'm making a ham.
So when you want me to come on the videos, it's like, no problem, because she's going to bring me food? What?
Well, honestly, I love doing mukbangs. I love cooking in the kitchen too because it's fun with both of us, but I love doing mukbangs, and it's not as much fun to do a mukbang by yourself.
It's kind of boring,
Because you sit there and you describe everything, and but when we're talking, it kind of distracts from just pigging out and get full fast and having to end the video quicker.
Right.
So, can you get your mouth around that?
Yes.
No problem. She did it.
Oh,
by the way, I like your hair. I like what you did to your hair. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
It's looking mighty healthy there,
I have a
Missy.
hairdresser that comes to my house.
That is so nice. And that day too, I'm in the mirror because I'm here too because we have a hairdresser that's amazing that comes to our house and cuts and does whatever we want.
Yeah, yours too.
Yeah, she cut my hair. She trimmed it all down. She cut about an inch, which it was getting really,
It's really
long.
healthy. Can you see the fireplace? You can't see the fireplace.
Look at, she got a brand new fireplace insert.
I got a fireplace. Oh, nope, it's not. You can't see it.
Am I in the way? Let me get out of the way here really quick.
I put it on for ambiance,
Oh, it's so
and then
pretty.
it's blocked. We're
By
blocking
the big
it.
body here.
Well,
What do you want me to do?
nothing.
You need me to get out?
Nothing. I just showed.
Let me go hide?
No, I just showed it. So
Well,
now.
maybe next time we'll do the videos right here, and then we'll angle it for that.
Yeah, because we're trying to get it all in, but let's just
So
focus on
pretty.
that Christmas tree right there.
Yeah, today the Christmas tree, maybe
and next
tomorrow.
time maybe we'll do it like put our chairs over there
How
next
about
to
we
the
eat
fire.
on the floor next to the fire?
That I've done that, and that's amazing.
Well, let's do it.
We can do that next time. Would you comment below if you'd like us to eat on the floor? Next to the fire.
Not eat food on the floor. Just sit on the floor and enjoy our meal next to the fireplace. Be clear
on
about
a
that.
plate.
I'm not going to eat off.
Yeah, no, not eat on it. My house is not that clean.
I'm not going to eat off the floor.
I mean, my house is pretty clean.
I mean, I love you guys, but not that much.
Well, if you really request it, maybe we'll eat popcorn off the floor.
Gross. Gross. We all
Popcorn!
have dogs, so that's a hairy
Do you
mess.
see? Oh, we have to show Miss Bella in the background.
Uh-huh.
Let me get up. Do you see
she's
her?
crashed.
Can you see her at all? She's right
See
there.
the little blob of black? Maybe not. Yeah, right there.
She's right here. Do you see
She's
her?
just being so good.
She's
Well,
a beautiful girl.
My sister tells her that we have to work, and so she goes,
She
oh.
knows. I say, Mommy has to work.
Oh.
And then she instantly gets sad. But I already took her for a walk, so she's okay.
So, but what she didn't say is that when this is over and all the leftover chicken that comes out of here, she'll probably have a pile full of it.
Probably so.
What do you think about this
I
one?
think it's amazing.
I do
love
too.
it.
So good. And I keep telling you guys, I make leftovers. Like I made a big chicken, huge chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And the first day I was like, okay, I have this huge chicken. My husband doesn't really like just cut chicken with the skin and the bones on it. So I'm like, well, okay, I'll just take the breast.
Oh, that's
what
good.
am I going to do with that? So
Yeah.
I thought, I'll make
another meal.
Well, here's what I did. I made keto tortillas, and didn't say anything because I wanted to see if he would notice the difference, and he didn't say anything, so that's a good thing.
Well, yeah, you never tell your secrets.
No, but that's
a woman
good
never tells her secrets.
So we had that, and then, but I so I just decided that the chicken breast needed to go.
Oh, show your
into
nails.
Salsa. Oh,
Maria, she keeps getting her nails done.
I don't know if you guys can see them. These are called cat eyes. And these have been, oh, I need a fill bad. Bad.
They're pretty.
But look at their cat eyes. Oh, can't do that finger. Let's do this finger instead. See, they're cat eyes. Do you like those? Yeah. So that's my latest one is my cat eyes. Kind of like them. They're kind of pretty. They're black, but they're really pretty. They're different.
Do you want to know some news about me?
Sure.
I still have my Halloween pedicure.
On her toes.
On my toes. That's how slow I am. I still have my Halloween pedicure.
You know what? It's not hard to do though, because I still have mine. And once you put the gel on the bottom, they don't ever... They never grow out, but they never come off. They look as amazing as the first day you do them.
So I keep saying I've got to get myself in there, but this vid has got everything slowed down. This vid, I refuse to say the whole name, but you know what I'm talking about.
I know, and you know what?
I don't want to track that.
It's been going on for so long that we haven't changed anything about our lives. Nothing at all.
We've been self-isolated for so many years. This is normal.
But you know what? We're self-entertained, and we work from home, and we do so many different things. We shop from home, basically.
Everything.
I go pick up my groceries, but I don't very seldom ever go in anymore. So that's how my life has always been.
Right. So
this hasn't been really a bad deal.
We've been used to this.
So I have, however, stepped out of my comfort zone, and I have gone to a couple restaurants because my husband is a restaurant foodie, as you know. And so I've had to compromise, but I wear my mask in, and then I kind of have this, I don't understand why I'm doing that, because as soon as I sit down, I take it off because I have to eat.
It's like, what's the point?
But we do make a point to go somewhere that it's in a corner by ourselves, and so we've been very safe. So, knock on wood. Oh, see, she is alive.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that, Bella.
She thinks that somebody really is knocking at the door.
She has the UPS guy come to her house a lot, and she doesn't like the UPS guy, so she thinks that I'm the UPS guy knocking on your door. It's okay.
You're okay.
And it's my fault. Sorry, baby.
Yeah,
Sorry about that.
She just doesn't know.
You're funny. Sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
Sorry.
So it snowed.
Sorry about that. Oh.
For one day, and now it's melted. So
it's supposed to snow this afternoon.
Oh my gosh!
Again for the second round.
Because I just want to play in the snow. Do you ever just want to play in the snow? People
like a kid?
Yeah, I want to make a snow angel, and I want to.
That would be fun.
Throw snow, and I want to. I have Bella little walking boots to go outside because we walk every day.
She's so sweet.
And so I put on these little snow boots, and she's adorable, and I take pictures and videos of her, and she's like my little 5-year-old baby.
Pretty cute. This is really good.
This is really good. I'm getting really full though. It's got avocados and oh my gosh.
All the good healthy fats. Yummy.
Healthy fats.
Bella will be so happy because she's going to get the center of those when we're done.
Ooh.
She'll be so happy. She loves chicken. Chicken is her best friend.
Excuse me. Apologize. It's live.
She's apologizing.
I do burp. Yes.
When have you ever apologized for that? Oh, don't cut yourself.
Today.
Holy moly.
Did you know that I'm a knife swallower in my pastime? Videos coming soon. ...
Gross. She's a crazy one. I don't know what womb she came out of, but
the same womb you came out of.
Hell to the no.
She came out of the same mama as I came out of.
Yeah, but I got to come first, so things were all messed up when you came out.
It worked out for me.
It must have, because I got the first round.
It worked out.
Woo, this is the real world.
It worked out. You know, maybe we won't give her any.
Oh.
No, we will.
We have to give her some.
I just want one more bite.
Well, she's just going to eat the center, so we'll take that off.
It's so good.
So can you guys imagine being here eating this with us? Eating the spicy chicken, yummy. Taquitos are a lot smaller, by the way. I got a little chicken happy yesterday when I decided that my keto shells were a little bit bigger than I normally make, so I filled them up. And I'm so glad I did. So they're chicken taquitos / baby burritos.
They're delicious.
You can call them whatever you want, but.
So where can we find this recipe?
But if you're interested in the, I don't know that I actually have the recipe in my cookbook, but I do have the tortilla shells. The keto tortilla shells that you can make in my cookbook, and you can find that on Amazon. Look for Rhea Lynn and type in easy keto diet recipes and you'll find my book. It's in there. Also, I think it's on my website, and you have up above, you have my website link that you can click down to my website or click up to my website and search keto tortilla.
And the beautiful part is you get to wear your pajama bottoms on the bottom.
I don't have mine. I have jeans on.
I do.
But that's the benefit of working at home, right?
Yeah.
You look good from here up.
Yeah, that's what's great about all this internet stuff is that you can just put on a shirt and makeup and hair and
do your thing.
Have a trickery down here, just like have your pajamas on.
So do we want to sing a Christmas carol or anything? Or
do we want to scare them? Is that what you mean?
Do you want to be scared?
Deck the halls with bells of holly, fa la 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 la. There you go.
Deck
See, I don't even know
the halls with boughs of holly.
Oh,
la,
see,
la,
I make up my own words.
La la la. Okay,
that makes me
we're
unique.
Okay, I don't think we're gonna sing that song.
No.
So, but I do. We both want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
The most Christmassy you get is that tree right there.
Yeah.
Because that's all I can do.
But I wanted to start getting back into this, and I would love to promise every week, and I'm gonna shoot for that. That's my goal. So keep watching. We're gonna do this a time or two more. We're gonna maybe try to get some Christmas meals in here. Maybe some Christmas desserts, cookies for gingerbread boys. I don't know.
It's your story.
It's my story, so I guess I'll decide.
It's her story, and she's telling me about it, so we'll see if it happens.
We'll see if it happens.
Okay,
anyway, until next time, guys, we love you. Thank you for coming on to Reelin's World and watching this. Make sure to subscribe above, and don't miss any of our
together.
videos.
Can I even wink?
Bye.